Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna introduce you something very special which is called a miracle serum, or you can call it as a miracle cream also. It's upon you. So it's something like having a cream like texture and a serum like consistency. Okay, so I will tell you what is this made of. This is basically made of the rice. So don't get shocked, or you might be heard from many other people telling that the rice is too beneficial for the skin, or you might be getting shocked that, oh, rice, how does that help us, or how does that help us the skin to get so when I talk about this crystal clear skin, this particular terminology came from Korea, China, Japan, all these parts of the world. Okay, so these people are more obsessed with fair skin, very clear skin, and I think they are the people who apply a lot of makeup also, but they are the people who follows a lot of natural remedies too to look beautiful. For them, the only one like ideology is that look beautiful, look good, dress good, that's it, eat good and stay healthy. Okay, of this rice serum or this rice cream is basically came from China, Japan and Korea. Okay, so what is this is exactly? That's why it is known as the crystal clear skin, or they say that your skin gets younger, or your skin looks younger. So because what happens is that you can see the pores in your skin, right? So some people might be having larger pores and some people have the small pores. So when you apply this serum or this cream on your face, then what happens is the pores shrinks. So the size of the pores get reduced and it gets shrinks. So what happens? You will start looking younger. That is the secret of this serum. Okay, so basically the serum is a total package, and it have this all I already explained to you. It have this anti-aging property also. It's antioxidant. It reduces the wrinkle lines, even it helps the size reduce the size of the pores, even your skin look more fresh, glowy, everything. So I will tell you what this cream or serum contains. So first of all, I'm gonna take a bowl like this, a glass bowl, to mix up all those things together. Okay, so now I've already prepared, you can see this is the rice paste, or you can call it as the grinded version of rice. So this is that thing. I have already prepared this one. So what is this, how to prepare this one is put the basmati rice or the white rice which you use at home. Don't use the other rice. Always use this white rice or this basmati rice. Okay, they have this benefits. So put them like a handful of rice is enough. Like a small handful of rice. Put them in a hot water. Start boiling it. And when they get cooked, like it should be overcooked, the rice should be overcooked, you will get the water also, right? That rice water, the rice water which contains high content of starch, which helps for the skin to get a instant glowy feeling. So I'm not telling that somebody who is darker skin, you should apply this and you get brighter. I'm not discriminating or passing any racist comment. Somebody who really needs to improve their complexion, like with the tan or those tiredness, every dullness, you wanted to improve those skin properties and you wanted to look good, and if you wanted to feel that how my skin, you wanted to be younger or looks younger, then you should definitely try this out. Okay, so after that, after boiling this rice, overcooked rice, take the same starch water and blend it with a spoon, or if you wanted to grind in the grinder or in the mixer, you can just grind it out and mix in a pulpy form. So a paste or a pulpy form. So this consistency, see, this is the consistency. So just like a cream. Okay, I will show you. See, this will be the consistency. You cannot feel anything, just like a water I have applied on my hands. So after that, I've already made a potato juice. So grate the potato in a grater and just take out the fresh juice. So I've just taken out some potato juice. So I'm gonna apply this some amount of potato juice into my rice. Now I'm blending it. So now I have mixed the rice with the potato juice. Now the most important ingredient is this one. This is a vitamin E capsule. You can see this. There are different types of vitamin E tablets. There are Evion, this is Erich, and even a different varieties of tablets you will get from online, from pharmacy, anywhere, the departmental stores, anywhere you will get this. So taking out, so the amount is very little, that's why I'm gonna take only one capsule. So I'm gonna cut this capsule and pour this into this, and I'm gonna put this vitamin E oil in this bowl. Now I'm mixing it again. So you can see the consistency. You can see this is the consistency. This is the consistency. So this is how we are gonna make this particular serum or the cream. Okay, so I have to tell you this ingredient which I have mentioned you, that is the potato juice. It's very useful. This potato juice helps to remove the tan, it removes the blemishes, anti-aging properties. They also have this antioxidant properties also. That's why I have added the potato juice. Some people don't add the potato juice. The other thing is this vitamin E tablet. It also helps. Actually, it's a very good supplement for your hair and skin. Okay, so if you want to have this good growth of hair, you can add this vitamin E tablet on your hair oil also. It's not a big deal. Okay, and now I'm gonna add this in my skin routine and wash it off. Your face will be so soft, and it will be so fresh, glowy, everything. So I'm gonna apply this out on my face. I'm gonna apply. So I have applied it. Now next step is massage this cream into your skin in a circular motion. So now the serum and everything is applied. You can only feel a sort of I have just applied some oil or some water on my face, that's it, because it will start absorbing as soon as when we apply on our skin. So this is what it happens, and I will just show you what happens when I just wipe off this serum or this cream. Okay, wait for 5 minutes. So the serum or the cream is already absorbed by the skin. You cannot see any trace. You can see just a shining thing on my skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe it off. You can see my face. You can see exactly how I look now. No makeup, nothing. You can see that lush feeling on your skin, and your skin is so plump, and you have that softness on your skin also. So that's what I'm telling you. This is such a nice serum. This is such a nice cream. You can make this like in a very for a week or for 2 weeks you can make the product, and you can just store in like a glass jar like this and just use it off on your face every night before you go to sleep, and just massage it on your face in a circular motion. So you know that what all things are included in this: the potato juice, which helps for the blemishes, reduce the blemishes, the wrinkle lines, the dark spots, even the darkness or the dullness of the face. Okay, the next thing is the vitamin E capsule and the vitamin E oil. Even you can use the almond oil, sweet almond oil also in this. that is preferably like whatever is possible for you, that you can apply in this, or even you can use the coconut oil, whichever things is feasible for you. If you don't want to buy vitamin E oil, I prefer a vitamin E oil, but if you want to put some coconut oil, or you want to put the almond oil, any nut oil you want to put, they also contain vitamin E oil. So you can just apply, you can use this type of capsule also, and just make a cream or serum and just store in this, something like this, in a glass jar like this. Okay, so which helps you to use this product for like 2 weeks or 1 week, so that you won't like it won't be a hurdle or burden for us to make this cream or the serum like day by day or daily to apply. Okay, so you can store it in a cool or in your fridge, or you can store in a very cool place. This is what I have to say about this, and this is my DIY serum or cream. You don't have to use any external moisturizer, or you don't want to use any other moisturizer or a night cream. There are a lot of products, you can see even many of the YouTubers promote a lot of products. You can use this night cream, you can use this night cream. All those night cream has acetate, hydro, bentonite. They ask you to put those night cream. It will be so beneficial for you. It will be so beneficial for you, and you can apply this. You will be like no tiredness, nothing. The fresh looking skin will be there like in the next morning. It's nothing. All those claims are really fake, and that is utter bullshit also. So such claims are not at all always true. Always go for the natural products. So that's why I recommend you people to apply this at night and just sleep. So you will feel a good, glowy, even the much healthier version of your skin. You cannot see that in 1 day or 2 days. Like in a week you will start seeing the difference, and in a month you can really feel a great difference on your skin also. So this is what I have to tell you, and stop using those chemicals which is recommended by many of the influencers, many of these YouTubers. Stop promoting such products. Go for natural, go for a healthy skin. Keep your skin healthy, then you will be healthy, you will look good, you will be more young and clean. Okay, do try this DIY cream at home and apply on your skin, and tell me after 1 week what result you are getting from that, and give me a suggestions in my comment box below, and even you can DM me about the results. Okay, so if this works, then do tell me, because that also makes me happy, right? If you people tell me that it works on my skin, then I will be the most happiest person in the world. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and drop your comments, your suggestions in the below, and so that I'll be happy that you people are really taking my video in serious. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends. I'll be back soon with another set of videos, so stay tuned into my channel. So follow me in my Instagram, my Facebook, and that's it. So till then, bye. Roshni signing off.